If you've been seeing ads claiming you can melt fat effortlessly with a single capsule a day, boost metabolism overnight, and lose weight without changing your diet, then you've probably come across Lean Peak, a supplement that's being aggressively promoted as a natural fat-burning breakthrough. But when you look past the marketing hype, things start to look a lot less impressive. Lean Peak is presented as if it's based on some hidden or secret weight loss method turned into an easy daily formula. Yet the reality is that most of its positioning relies on very familiar sales tactics rather than solid science. Because the product itself mainly contains common ingredients like green tea extract, caffeine, and basic vitamins that you can find in many ordinary supplements, which immediately raises the question of what makes it different or more effective than anything else on the market. And on top of that, the claims being made in advertisements often lean toward unrealistic expectations such as rapid fat loss with no diet control, no exercise, or minimal effort, which simply does not align with how fat metabolism actually works in the human body. Another major concern is the way trust is manufactured through marketing, including phrases like FDA approved, even though dietary supplements are never officially FDA approved in that way, along with so-called doctor endorsements that appear generic or potentially AI-generated, plus overly polished testimonials that don't provide verifiable proof. And in many cases, similar products have been rebranded and resold under different names using the same funnel strategy, including upsells and subscription-style traps that users don't always notice at checkout. And while some people report mild effects like reduced appetite due to caffeine content, many others say they experience little to no noticeable change even after consistent use. So when you put everything together, the exaggerated claims, recycled ingredients, aggressive marketing tactics, and lack of clinical evidence specific to Lean Peak itself, it becomes clear that this is a product that should be approached with careful skepticism rather than blind trust.